came out swinging in '79. Magoo on fire, red dirt and spine. One-hand whips and a reckless air. Crowds leaned in just to watch him dare. Carlsbad son, he owned that day. Sent those Euros back the old school way. Two-stroke kings and factory cash, but Magoo rode like he was born to crash. Ride on, Magoo, through the thunder and the flame. No fear in the fire, no shame in the pain. He flew past the edge where the brave men go, and lit up the world with that one-hand show. Ride on, Magoo, you're never alone. 82, they still talk about that run. 4 motos, 4 wins, second to none. Motor across the nations, raised the bar. Left the world behind like a shooting star. 83, that 4-stroke scream. Qualified fastest in a 2-stroke dream. He broke the mold, broke the rules, left the suits and the scribes looking like fools. Ride on, Magoo, through the throttle and tears. You gave us the glory, you burned through the gears. You crashed where no one else would dare, but you lived every lap like it wasn't fair. Ride on, Magoo, we're still in your zone. Paris lights, a stadium night. One wrong landing, one lost flight. But he rose again in a different way. Taught the kids and led the way. From Forest Hill to the Hall of Fame, you earned each scar, you lived your name. They tried to measure what you gave, but Magoo was more than just brave. Ride on, Magoo, where the big stars burn, where the throttle's wide and the angels turn. Still feel your heart when the gate drops low. Still see that whip in the evening glow. Ride on, Magoo, we'll carry it home. When the roost kicks up and the sky turns blue,